roundhouse kick. It starts out like this, and then as you go up, you turn into a roundhouse kick. And Feitosa is like famous for it, to the point where they call it, the K1 guys call it the Brazilian kick. And that's another effective Taekwondo one. So you stand like this, so it comes in like this, and then as it's coming in, it goes over the top like that. So you think it's this, and you go to block like this, and as you do, it comes over the top.
Shit, that's a beautiful angle right there. God damn! Do that 360 spinning roundhouse. Haha, Jackie Chan, fuck. Can you imagine if someone pulls that off?